is beneficial for anybody to accept that as a premise. All right, well, let me go and do this quick question here for Ashlyn. This is going to be a complete in the square problem, and I'm sorry, for sake of time, I'm not going to explain this as in-depthly as I typically will when we do conic sections. But the main thing is, to write the equation of the circle, we need to have it in this form. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So we need to write binomial squareds. And like I explained up in this problem, we need to complete the square. That means we need to find the value that creates a perfect square trinomial. Because when we have a perfect square trinomial, we can factor it down into a binomial squared. So how do you create perfect square trinomials? You take the middle term, or your linear coefficient, you divide it by 2, and you square it. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. And I apologize if you're typing in any other questions for me. I'm not going to be able to get to them, guys. I do appreciate you adding on, but this is going to be my last question. Not only for this live stream, not only for tonight, but of 2019. Whoa, that's kind of crazy. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 squared is 25. All right, so I'm going to add these numbers on there. I'm going to put them inside parentheses. Plus y squared plus 10y plus 25. I'm going to put that in parentheses. I have now just created perfect square trinomials. But again, guys, we just can't like add a number to the left side and not add it to the right side, right? If you're going to add a 4 to the left side, you have to add a 4 to the right side, right? So it's either you add and subtract them on the same side, add 4, subtract 4, or if you're doing like an equation in conic sections in this case, if you're going to add a 4 to the left, you can add it to the right. If you're going to add a 25 to the left, you can add a 25 to the right. All right, so now this is going to give me x minus 2 squared is your binomial squared, and this would be a y plus 5 quantity squared, and this gives you a 29. So therefore, the center is going to be 2